it's Jen and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm pretty much going to show you guys all the highlighters that I use to highlight my face. Do you get all of this? Okay. And then I'm going to swatch them for you so you guys can see how effortless it looks on this brown skin mommy. And while you guys are at it, I want you guys to just go on ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you can be notified whenever I come with another video. Are y'all ready or not? Okay. For our first highlighter, we have Max Golden Deposit, and then what it is it's a mineralized skin finish. So it pretty much just sits and, you know, becomes skin. But let me go on ahead and swatch that for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty much like, I want to say like an orange gold with like a hint of like some yellow in there. Like, it's pretty much like a universal gold highlighter for any and every skin tone. I'm excited for this one. This was one of the ones that I felt like was a real staple, something that I really needed in my life, even though I don't even use all of them. But this is a Smashbox highlighter palette, and it is a collaboration with Casey Holmes, I believe her name is Casey Holmes. And what this is it is a 3 palette. As you can clearly see, I am a golden girl. I love my gold. From time to time, I use these two, and for clients I do. But other than that, this palette is amazing, and this is a must-have. So I totally forgot to swatch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys right here, right here, right here. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a really good highlighter, and the way this is set up, you're gonna be gleaming, girls. You're gonna be gleaming. It's one of those thick highlighters that just sit there and it becomes like that layer of, it just becomes like your skin, like it sinks. I don't know how to really explain it, but it pretty much make your skin look like skin on 10. Yeah, so that's what it is. So this is Hourglass Champagne Flash, and this is a really good highlighter. This is, what's recommended for these highlighters is that you use your hands when you go in so that you can warm up the product, and then just hold on. Actually, let's do this. And just place it there. It's very blendable, and it's amazing. So this is what it looks like. If you guys can see, it's more so of like a, it looks, from the look of this part, it looks pretty gold, but once you swatch it, it's not that gold. It has probably like a little hint of gold. It's like, it wants to be in between like that silver and gold. I like it because I use this on my natural skin. Let me just blend it out. It's not one of those highlighters that sit on your skin, and the reason why I feel like it's that way is because of the fact that it's cream and it doesn't have like any glitters or anything. But this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys could actually see that, but it blends so beautifully, especially on makeup. This is like, sometimes I use this as a base for my highlight. I don't know how many times I have to say this. This has been my like go-to, especially on the inexpensive side. This has been my definite go-to, you know, shout out to Leah J. But she put me on to that Master Chrome, and it's in the shade Molten Gold. And what this is it's an extreme highlighter. Like, it's extreme. So this is what it looks like. As you clearly see, like, it's already going there. Do you guys see that? Oh, wow. It probably took me like half a year to find this, because I go into stores all the time. Like, okay, I know this is a drugstore product, but you can find it in no drugstores. Everybody done already got their hands on it. So I'm gonna be so extra for this one because this one is my favorite. It's my favorite. So pretty much this is my go-to like every day, because it's just a wave that I like to ride. So you see that texture. First of all, let me just go on ahead. You don't even have to do all of this. You can literally just like, and this is what that highlight is hitting for. Like, yo, This is the most gleamy, like super sun in a compact highlighter I've ever seen in my life, and I'm absolutely in love. Right, so that is about it for our highlighter talk today. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, especially subscribe, so you guys can be notified and so you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Other than that, you guys have a great day. Don't forget to